good views, and I think it's delivering this morning. Headed over to Charlie's Bunion. I'm assuming it's a rock formation, but check that out. Look at that. Good morning, everyone. This is gorgeous. Got Mary Posa back there and Dozer. We're moving along. But yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, this is so great. Look at all this. Charlie's Bunion.
Yay!
Wow.
Here we are, sweetie. Yeah, for
Oh.
real. How we get a photo of that?
Right there.
I didn't see that.
Yeah. Going over there.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we can do that.
Oh yeah.
Little birds marking the way right there. Yeah.
Big time swag.
Big time.
Yeah.
This is so freaking awesome.
Yes.
Good morning, afternoon. Not sure what time it is. My watch has died a long time ago and it fails to recharge. Not that it matters anyways. I've been doing several days out here on the Smokies and I've gone through both my battery packs. So I'm on like, I don't know, 80% of my phone and I got about 3 days left. So I've opted to stop doing a lot of edits because it takes a lot of power. And then, turn my phone off during the day. Only turn it on every once in a while to check the map and receive some messages and whatnot. But yeah, day has been going very well. We are over 200 miles and we're less than 2,000 miles from Katahdin. So that's super exciting. I know it's only like 10% of the whole trek, but it's still something. And all these little milestones gives motivation to continue on, obviously. The trail. Well, the trail has been challenging, especially at the very beginning. You got to get used to carrying a pack, and you got to get, depending on your fitness, got to get your fitness up. I've definitely lost a lot of weight out here. I was size 36 in the waist before I left, about 215-ish pounds, which is overweight for me. I bought a size 34 pants at one of the Franklin, I think it was, one of the outfitters there, and even those are getting a little loose on me too. Some of it is, I gotta balance out the weight to calories to how much I'm eating, because we're exerting probably easy 4,000 or 5,000 calories out here hiking along, and you gotta eat the food to replenish that, or you start dwindling away a bit. But yeah, so that's a challenge. The if you want to use your phone a lot and whatnot up here, challenge for keeping batteries charged up and on you during the night, because the cold will sap it away. And if you do a stretch like this where it's 7 days between your town days, you really got to kind of figure out how to manage power. For me specifically, some people have no problems with I'm doing this and checking phone constantly, that type of stuff. But I would say our most challenging days have definitely been the rainy ones. First rainy one was just like an experience, but that second one was just miserable, super miserable. Over the Rockies, The view up here has been fantastic. And even if you like go to Newfound Gap and do like a trail to Clingman's Dome and do that section, highly recommend it because it's a gorgeous, gorgeous view going through the forest. I mean, you'll see some of the clips obviously from me going through it, but you know, video doesn't do it justice. Pictures don't do it justice. The only way that you can really truly see and absorb the appreciation of all this is by being there. Whew. All right, going uphill. I'm gonna get to hiking. The views in the Smokies keep impressing. Check this out.
Wow.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Doing hike today. Oh yeah. Oh, Smokies. All right, so someone has been kind enough to leave us a message here. It says 219, that's 219 miles, which is exactly 10% of our trek all the way to Maine. So you know what, 10% down, 90% to go. I like those odds. We're gonna make it to Maine.
Yes.
Yeah, we are.
Four ounces yesterday,
Okay.
12 today.
All right.
And 0 tomorrow.
We're gonna do 5 hours.
You have to switch.
But the timing of that, I'm trying to get before spring. Yeah, that's like 3-4 miles.
Well, we reached Tri Corner. It's a pretty cool looking shelter. I mean, it's very similar to the rest of them. Well, the water's really close. You got this kind of like view here. We got the fire going over there. You can see all the smoke. And then the bear hang bags are up there. Bear hang cables, so you can hang your bags. And then the privy is just right down there. So everything's very convenient. And everybody's had basically dinner. We've chatted it up, and I think tomorrow we're actually going to do like 15 miles. Yeah, 15 miles to Cosby, so that we only have 3 miles in possible rain in the morning to get to Standing Bear, where we'll take a Nero, resupply, and then move on to Hot Springs. But yeah, that's the plan. And I'm going to go to bed early. So I'll see you at the next place.